Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to give you the first 10 things you should do when you pick up your Galaxy Z Fold 3. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to give you the first 10 things you should do once you get your Galaxy Z Fold 3. These are the things that I do. If you do something different, let me know in the comments. I definitely want to have a conversation with my subscribers or non-subscribers, and we can actually learn from each other. I'm going to try to make this video, as short as possible, but I definitely want to get into it and show y'all what I have done to my phone. But look how beautiful that is. Man. One thing, I am enjoying the phone, so stay tuned. I probably will have a 24-hour later. It might be even before this video drops too, but man, what y'all think about it? It looks great. Also, let me know how the quality is on this video. I am using the Sony ZV-1, so let me know. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm still trying to get the hang of everything. So I'm going to place this bad boy down because it is heavy. I'm not going to lie. Hopefully everything's in frame and focus. I guess we will see that in a minute. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing that you want to change is the theme of the display and the overall phone. So right there at the top, you can see where it says light or dark. You want to make sure you put it into dark mode or night mode, whatever you want to call it, because nobody wants that. Oh, that is way too bright. My camera's probably out of focus now too. Who wants the light mode? Not me. You definitely want to make sure you change that. That's the first thing you should do. The second thing is at the bottom. Right now I have the swipe gestures on. You want to make sure you turn that on. For some reason, Samsung brings the phone in when you turn it on. It does have the 3-button navigations. You go to display. You go all the way down to navigation bar. Right there you can see the buttons. If you want the buttons at the bottom, you can even, look at the buttons. No, you don't want the buttons. So you do the swipe gestures and you make it simple. They also have more options down here you can change to. If you want to go into that, you can definitely do so too. But make sure you have the swipe gestures on. It is 2021. Swiping is a thing. I'm not going to lie. The third thing that I did was make sure I had my home screen the way I want it. And how you do that is you just press on the screen anywhere, empty, go into settings. And here you can change many different settings as far as, the home screen grid. You have all the options down here to change it. I have it on 5x5, but you can put it on whatever you want. You also can do the folder grid. They have more options down here too. So go in there, make sure you do the home screen the way you want it, because again, it's your phone. Number 4, you can also change the refresh rate on the screen. If you want to save some battery life, you don't care about the 120 Hz refresh screen, you can actually change it. Go back into display, you go into motion smoothness, and there you go. You have 2 different options there. You can change it to adaptive, which is 120, or standard. Again, if you want to save battery, put it on standard. If you don't care about the battery, you want to get the most out of it, leave it on adaptive, and you get the 120 Hertz refresh screen. All right, so the 5th thing you want to do is something new, I think, to the Samsung UI and to the Fold 3. It's called screen. Let's see what it's called. I forgot. Screen layout and zoom. So if you go in there, you can do multi-view where you have one options here and then the different options on the other side. So I'm under the display, but then I have all the options under the display here, which is pretty cool. Or if you don't like that, if you want the original one, you can do standard view where now you're under the display. It just looks like a regular phone. Doesn't have the other options on there. But that's up to you on which way you want to use your phone. I like the multi-view, but it's definitely up to you. If you're coming from, say, a regular phone, it may be something you have to get used to, or you can change it. It's definitely up to you. The next thing I want to talk about, which is like number 6, is when you close your screen. Say I'm going to Facebook. So you're in Facebook right here. Pretty simple. But if you want to go ahead and continue Facebook on the big screen, there you go. You actually can do it. How you can change that option, you go back into display. You want to go all the way down to continue apps on cover screen. And here you can pick what apps you want to continue on the cover screen. It's totally up to you. Make your choice and go through every app that you have and pick it. Some of the apps won't change, but you know, most of them will. So go through there, change it, make it the way you want it to be. Number 7 is set up your always on display, which is under the lock screen. You can go here, always on display. Now you can tap it to show it for 10 seconds. Show always. I have mine set to a schedule. Also on the screen, you can change your clock style. If you want a different style, you can go there. You can change the different colors. Again, go in there and set it up. Number 8, you do some of it when you set up the phone, but you want to make sure you set up your security. Right now I have fingerprints. I don't have Face ID, but I do have a pass, like a swipe feature on here to unlock my phone. So go in here, make the face recognition, do the fingerprints, set up as many fingerprints as you like. By the way, the fingerprint scanner works pretty good, but you want to make sure you set up your security because you don't want somebody just getting in your phone. Number 9, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. Number 9 is same thing, settings, advanced features. Go all the way down to where you see it's actually motions and gestures right there. Now you can do different things as far as tap to turn on the screen, double tap to turn on the screen, double tap to turn it off. So for example, if I press anywhere, double tap, turns off the screen, double tap again, it turns it on. But if you don't want that on, you can actually turn it off. So that way, again, it's your options, but I'm gonna go back to advanced. I think by default they turned off. So I came in here and turned them on. But there's different ones in here, like keep the screen on while you're viewing it. I actually have that turned off right now. Mute with gestures. So go in there, figure out which ones you want to use and turn them on. All right, so number 10, the last thing that I recommend is fixing your keyboard to the way you like it. And what I mean by that, so right now, when you get the phone, the keyboard doesn't look like this. Mine is all the way across. When you get your phone, if you go into settings here, go down to mode, when you get the phone, your keyboard will look like this. It is split. I don't like that. Again, how you change it, the easiest way I found out was go into the settings, go all the way down to mode, and change it to standard. Now you have a different one on each one. I leave it on the cover screen as split, or you can do standard, which is probably easier. And then if you go back, there's the keyboard. That's the way I like it. You can set it up any way you want to. There's other different options in there. You can theme it out. Now that only works with Samsung keyboard. I haven't seen Google do it. I'm gonna try that later on in a different video. That was the 10 things that I do when I get the phone. So if you do something different than the 10 things I just showed you, let me know in the comments. I can definitely learn from folks. Also, if this video taught you anything or if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping the latest video on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.